how I'm doing it. I'm going to make 750 milliliters worth. So I'm going to use 20 vanilla beans in the 750 of vodka. So that's vodka and 20 vanilla beans. Let's get to it. My husband has an old bottle that's blue. Let me show it to you. It's much bigger than the 750, but that's okay. So let's put 750 milliliters of vodka in this. Okay, I'm gonna pour the vodka into my measuring cup. Now let's cut up the vanilla beans. They say you can split them in half and put it in there. Cut it up in pieces. I'm gonna cut mine up, I think, in pieces. Let's see what we got. Whoa, they smell delicious. Smell just like you could eat them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, that white is on that one. I'm gonna cut these up like this. I'm not gonna split them. Now that the beans are in, I'm gonna add my vodka to the jar. The lid on. Okay, now that I got the lid on, it's only filled up to here. I guess that's halfway for this bottle. The vanilla beans are down here, and it says to give it a shake. So I'm supposed to do this once a day, shake it once a day, I think, for the first couple of weeks, and then after that, once a week. And I can use it after 6 weeks, but it's at its complete prime at 6 months. So, and keep it in a dark, cool place, they say. And then I've got the blue coated bottle. So the sun's supposed to not be good for it or whatever, weaken it or something. So I've got it started. I'm gonna put on my bottle what date that I made it. I'm excited. I say once you do this, you'll never buy vanilla extract at the store again. And I believe it. I'm tired of paying, you know, $7 for this little bitty old jar. If y'all like this video, hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell while you're there, and I'll notify you every time I put out a new video. Thank you.